Hello and welcome back to Gadgets Techy. So your Samsung TV won't turn on? I totally get it. It's super frustrating. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. But before we start troubleshooting your TV, could you please do me a favor? Hit that subscribe button and drop a like. It really helps the channel grow. Alright, let's fix your TV. Number 1. Power supply issues. Alright, the number one reason your Samsung TV won't turn on is a power supply problem. This could be as simple as a loose power cable or a faulty outlet. Here's the fix. First, unplug your TV from the wall outlet. Wait for a full 60 seconds. This is important because it drains any residual power. While you're waiting, check if your power cable is firmly connected to both the TV and the wall. Also, try plugging it directly into the wall outlet instead of a surge protector, because sometimes those can fail. After 60 seconds, plug it back in and try turning on your TV. This simple power cycle fixes the issue about 40% of the time. Number 2. Remote control problems. So here's something that happens more often than you'd think. Your TV is actually fine, but your remote is dead. Yeah, I know, it sounds too simple, but hear me out. The fix is super easy. Pop open your remote and swap out those batteries with fresh ones. And while you're at it, check if any buttons are stuck. Seriously, a jammed power button can mess everything up. Still not working? Try this. Walk up to your TV and press the physical power button directly on the TV itself. It's usually on the bottom or back. If the TV turns on with the button but not the remote, boom, you found your problem. Just grab some new batteries and you're good to go.
Number 3. HDMI and connected devices. Here's a sneaky one that catches people off guard. Sometimes it's not your TV at all, it's whatever you have plugged into it. Your PlayStation, Xbox, cable box, or even a soundbar can actually prevent your TV from turning on properly. The fix is simple. Unplug everything connected to your TV. I'm talking HDMI cables, USB devices, gaming consoles, all of it. Just disconnect them all. Now, try turning on your TV. If it suddenly works, then one of those devices was causing the problem. You can plug them back in one by one to figure out which one is the troublemaker. 9 times out of 10, it's an HDMI issue causing a weird glitch with your TV's startup. Number 4. Standby mode confusion. This one trips up a lot of people. You might think your TV is completely dead, but it's actually just in standby mode and displaying a black screen. Look at the bottom of your TV. See that little red light? If it's on and solid, your TV has power, but it's in standby. The screen might look off, but the TV thinks it's waiting for a signal. Here's what you do. Grab your remote and press the source or input button a few times. Sometimes your TV is on the wrong input and shows nothing. Cycle through HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and TV mode. You might suddenly see your picture pop up. Also, try turning up the brightness settings because sometimes the backlight gets turned way down and makes everything look pitch black. Number 5. Blinking red light error codes. Now, if you see that red light blinking at you, pay attention. Your TV is actually trying to tell you what's wrong. Different blink patterns mean different problems. If it blinks twice, that usually means there's a software glitch or an HDMI connection issue. Unplug everything and do that 60-second power cycle we talked about earlier. If it's blinking 5 or 6 times, that's pointing to a power supply board issue or bad capacitors inside your TV. Unfortunately, this one usually needs a professional repair, or you might need to replace some internal parts if you're handy with electronics. The good news? Most blinking light issues can still be fixed with a simple power reset, so always try that first before panicking. And there you have it, 5 quick fixes to get your Samsung TV working again. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech solutions. Drop a comment below and let me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.